Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today, me and my ammu together, we are making some Ramadan special snacks. We can eat the snacks in iftar or whenever we want. First, I'm making some noodle spring roll. For that, we are going to prepare our noodles first. First, as you saw, I have put all my vegetables in there, including the green chilies and onions and carrots. And then I have put some chicken in there and I have sauteed for some minutes. Then I'm putting my salt and roasted black pepper and cumin powder and red chili powder in there. And then I'm going to saute it for some more minutes until it's soft and it looks yummy. And then I thought about cracking an egg as it's a mixed noodle, so why not? Then I put some extra oil and also cracked the egg. And one question, you must be having it that we always, whenever we are cooking something, we always use this pan. It's like my ammu's favorite pan. She has a lot of pan, a lot, but she likes to use this one only. And then I put some salt into the egg and then I mixed it all together. Then I'm going to put some soya sauce in there, 1 tablespoon, because we're going to, if we want we can add a later also, but now that's enough for me. I'm going to put in my boiled noodles. I have already boiled it and drained all the water. Now we can just mix it all together and it already looks so yummy. We will cook it for some time. And then I told you I wanted to put some more soya sauce. And then our mixture is ready. Our noodles are cooked. Next, I am going to make something that I like to call glue. Yeah, I have taken some flour and I'm going to take some water, required water amount, and then we're gonna mix it together to form the glue. You'll get it what I meant by glue. Now just mix it all together and add the required water amount to make it like a liquid substance. Yeah, not so solid. And then I have spring roll sheets with me and we are going to place our noodles in there just like I placed, and then I'm going to put our mixture that we just made. Now it will act as the glue. That's why I'm calling it glue. I'm going to put it all the all the corners and then we're gonna close it like this. We're going to fold it from sideways and then roll it around like this. And then put some more glue and close it. And there we have our spring roll. I'm going to make 2 more pieces. Like all the pieces I'm going to make. And then again repeat the same step. Place the noodles and then put the glue all over. And finally we can fold it like that, and the other side, and then we're gonna roll it around like this, and it's done. I have prepared many spring rolls and now we can store it in a Ziploc bag or an airtight container and keep it in the freezer. Next, we have our next recipe, that is my ammu is making samosa. Yeah, we all love to eat samosa. Everybody does. That's why we need samosa. First, we started by putting the onions and chilies in there and sauteing it for some minutes. And then she's gonna put the potatoes in there. And then just some ginger garlic paste, and then we can put salt according to our taste, some turmeric, some cumin, roasted cumin and black pepper powder, some, you can also put the red chili powder, mix it all together, give it a good mix, and then we can put our water in there, stir it a little bit, and then cover it. Then we can open it and give it another stir. The water is almost soaked, and then that's why my mom thought about adding some chana in there, because why not? It will make it more delicious. Then she's gonna mash it a little bit. Only a little bit, not total mashed, but some. And then our mixture is ready. We're gonna take some samosa sheets. We bought it from outside, but you can also make it at home. And then fold it like this and put our potato mixture in there, inside there, and then we're gonna close it using our glue. You remember we made glue last time using the same glue. You're going to fold it and then apply the glue on the edges, and then close it. Perfect. We have made some more, and then it's time. You can also store the samosas in refrigerator, and now it's time to fry some. We are going to fry some spring rolls and also some samosa. We are going to fry it until it has a crispy texture, and then it's perfectly good. Perfect. And now we're going to take it out. Our spring rolls are perfectly fried. Then we can put our samosas in there. And then the same process, we are going to fry it.
See the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape.
Now our samosas are perfectly fried. We're gonna take it out onto a plate and then serve it hot. It was so delicious. I'm sure you should also try it at home. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Ma salama.